Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix a broken zipper on a dress. Let's start with a common issue, a stuck zipper. Often, fabric gets caught, so gently pull it free. If not, try lubricating the teeth. Rub a graphite pencil or a dry bar of soap along the zipper. Then, carefully move the slider back and forth until it glides smoothly. Remember, patience is key. Avoid forcing it. Next, let's tackle a zipper that separates after closing. This usually happens when the slider's opening becomes too wide. With needle nose pliers, gently pinch the top and bottom of the slider to tighten its grip. Apply just a tiny bit of pressure, perhaps 1 millimeter at a time, and test. Also, check for any bent teeth and carefully realign them. Does your zipper refuse to stay up? A loose slider is often the culprit. You can gently crimp the slider with needle nose pliers to make it tighter. For a quick fix, attach a small keyring to the pull tab and loop it over your dress button. Another temporary trick is to apply a thin coat of clear nail polish to the top 1 or 2 inches of teeth. Sometimes, a slider is beyond repair and needs replacing. First, use pliers to remove the metal stop at the top of the zipper. Then, slide off the old slider and carefully guide a new one onto the teeth. Secure it by crimping a new metal stop or by sewing several stitches with heavy thread to create a new stop. Regular cleaning also extends zipper life.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.